ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን አላችሁ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ ለዛሬ vlog ማለት ነው እንግዲህ ዛሬ ወንድማችን አብዛኞቻችሁ ታውቁታላችሁ አተም from Cameroon ይዘነው መጣናል ወደ አዲስ አበባ እንግዲህ አዲስ አበባ እንዲያያት ማለት ነው እንዴት እንደምታምር ላሳየው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው ወንድም አለው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ነው የሚባለው ወይስ ወንድም አለ ማላልኩትም ጉድ ኦኬ listen ተረዱኝ እንግዲህ በእንግሊዝ ላወራ ነው ምናምን ሽሽ የሚልባችሁ ካላችሁ አማርኛ እየቀላቀልኩኝ ምናምን እናገራለሁ ማለት ነው ናፒ ለራሱ አለ ሽሽ እያለው ነው አማርኛ ለምዴ ችግር የለውም so welcome to Ethiopia
thank you so much my brother thank you so much Ethiopia
Cameroon
I'm here for you
Cameroon is in Ethiopia Addis Ababa okay one question I have for you is once you landed on Ethiopia what is the first feeling that you had or even before you land when you were on the plane once you saw the structure the lights
from the air
yeah
the lights that was in Addis right
yeah
I passed through a couple of countries and I did not experience this light
really
so when I got into Addis it was lit then when I landed the airport lit
yes
when I stepped out
yeah
bro
what did you feel
bro
what did you feel
Addis is fire man
yes beautiful isn't it Addis Ababa you know it's going to be the capital of Africa very soon Ethiopia man
I think it is already man
yeah
like you need to visit Addis Ababa you watching right because
you watching
the architecture is different it's beautiful it's just come
yeah
just come
so today my goal is I'm going to show him around in Addis Ababa
right
and tomorrow he's going to have a tour guide he's going to vlog YouTube videos and TikTok videos as well but today he's going to be staying with me and we're going to vlog እናደርገዋለን ተከታተሉን ማለት ነው እሺ Atem in Addis Ababa Mr. Cameroon is here to meet Mr. Ethiopia
yes sir
and we're going to make it happen
yes sir
guys አሁን ደግሞ ወደ ሻራተን ይዤው እየሄድኩኝ ነው ምሳ ልጋብዘው ነው ማለት ነው we're going to have the best lunch
yes sir
yeah you ready my brother
I'm ready Ethiopia you ready for me
yeah ናፒ እንግዲህ የእንግሊዝ ጥረት እያጋጠሙ ይገኛል ሰር yes ነው የሚለው ግባ በልሽ ና ግባ
sir yes sir
yes sir sir
yes sir
ና ግባ
language sir
how do they say sir in Amharic
what are you saying ምን ለማለት እየሞከርክ ነው
come again
what
ma
ልትሰብረው ነው እንዴ መኪናው ና ግባሽ ዝም ብለህ ናፒ ግባ ዝጋው እያደከምከው ነው በቃ ናፒ የማታደርገው ዝጋውሽ